All right, my people, I don't come again today. Wait, I won't understand something. Where Tottenham really be? Like where they really be? Because today they dey here, tomorrow they dey the other place. Like I don't really understand because you go agree with me. Say before now, me and you say never believe say Tottenham will beat West Ham comfortably 4-1 this weekend, and to even see say they even come from behind there. Now one thing like say they dey baffle me because Tottenham they're a very good team. Like they be very good to one of the best teams in England. In fact, the big six for England. But their problem now inconsistency. Just they are just too inconsistent. See, make that coach this Angle Postecoglou, make this their coach, make it take him time work on this team, make them dey consistent. I tell you, if Tottenham be dey consistent, Baba guy, teams go begin fear them for England. Teams go fear to play Tottenham for England. Okay, imagine how they don't beat West Ham 4-1, and they even come from behind though. They even come from behind. That be the funny thing. Well, kudos to Tottenham. They played well. They did well. Tottenham are beg. Now beg with the beg on I beg. Wanna help us try to consistent. So that if we want play game, we now go take position ourselves. You understand? Well, congratulations to Tottenham. Congratulations to the team. They did well today. Let's see how it goes next week.